Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's session we're going to be looking at quadrilaterals, and for today's session you're going to need a pencil, paper and the worksheets from the website. Okay, so for today's session you're going to be able to identify and discuss different types of quadrilaterals. Okay, so by the end of the lesson you should be able to name different types and describe their properties and work out the value of missing angles. So here is your starter. Pause the video for a few seconds and work out this starter. Okay, so vocabulary check. Let's try to match each word to its meaning. So remember, if you don't know how to use a dictionary, you should get a dictionary and define these. If you don't know how to use a dictionary, we did do a lesson on how to use a dictionary back in March. So if you go down to the Year 4 section, you can watch that video now. Okay, so let's Okay, so here are the answers. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? Have a look at the shape and what do you think its properties are? Describe it. Pause the video for around a minute or so. 2D shape, four-sided shape, all of its sides straight, has four interior angles that add up to 360. Okay, so do you know what properties a square has? So a square is a type of quadrilateral. So if the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360, what must each interior angle of a square be? So remember, in a square everything is equal. So how would you work that out? Well done, you could do 360 divided by 4. A rectangle. Squares can be classified as rectangles, but not all rectangles can be classified as squares. Can you explain why? A rectangle has opposite sides of equal length and has four angles, 90 degrees angles. A square has opposite sides of equal length and four 90-degree angles. However, in a square, all of the sides are of equal length. So a rhombus. Do you know the properties of a rhombus? What other name could be given to a rhombus? You might not know this, but that's okay. A parallelogram. A parallelogram. Do you know what properties are of a parallelogram? A rhombus is a type of parallelogram, which property means that not all parallelograms are rhombuses. So, a trapezium. Do you know what properties a trapezium has? Kite. What am I? All of my sides are equal and I have two acute angles. What am I? I'm a kite. How can we find the missing angles in this parallelogram? What do we know that can help us? The angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. Opposite angles in parallelogram are equal. A equals 110, C equals 110, D equals 70, B equals 70. Check your answer. Regular trapezium. All four angles will add up to 360. Two lines show that the sides are equal, so angles D and C must also be equal. Add together the angles. Take this away from 360. As C and D are equal, divide 170 by 2. What do we know that could help us? The angles in any quadrilateral add up to 360. One pair of angles is equal. Okay, so if you are still a bit confused, what I want you to do, because quadrilaterals are quite a heavy topic, it's got quite a lot of names that you do need to remember and types of quadrilaterals with properties. It will be very difficult to remember all of these just by watching this video once. I think you should watch this YouTube video of mine once more time, and also watch this link that I have sent, because quadrilaterals is quite a heavy topic and it's got quite a lot of shapes that you do need to remember. Even I would find it difficult to remember all these shapes and its properties just by watching the video once. So I think it's very important that you watch it one more time along with this video in order to help you deepen your understanding of quadrilaterals. Okay, so your task is on the website. Please attempt challenge 1 or challenge 2, whichever one you think suits you best. And if you do have any questions about quadrilaterals, do send it over, because we do understand it is quite hard to remember all the shapes and its properties. And good luck, guys, and do send us over any questions, any lovely work that you guys have been doing. You will be getting all your emeralds and gold certificates for children who are constantly sending over their work. We are all very, very, very proud of you guys who are sending over their work daily, trying to encourage any other class members that you do speak to over the phone or something to get as much work done as possible if you think they're not doing any. And good luck, guys. Hope to see you guys all soon sometime, and enjoy the task. Bye.